Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's recipe, I will be sharing with you guys how I make this delicious garden egg sauce that you can enjoy with your yam or plantain. Keep watching and let's get into this cooking. Thank you guys. In a clean pot, I have my garden egg. I have tomatoes, I have onions, I have bell pepper and habanero pepper that I've already washed, okay? What I'm going to do, I'm just going to add water, then I'll allow it to boil for about 5 minutes before I'll take the peppers and the onions out and I will blend them together. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new here, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Okay guys, these are the rest of the ingredients I will be using for this recipe. I have my dry fish and a smoked turkey, okay? You can use any protein of your choice. You can use any meat of your choice. It's up to you. Now I also have my raw shrimps that I will be using also. And I also have smoked shrimps. I will be adding it to the recipe also. You can skip it if you don't have shrimps. And I have my chopped onions. Then I also have my seasoning. I have no seasoning. I have salt to taste, and I also have crayfish. Here I have palm oil. You can use vegetable oil if you don't have palm oil. I also have my yam that I will be using to eat the garden egg sauce when it's ready. Now, after 5 minutes, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the bell peppers, the onions, the tomatoes, and the habanero pepper. Then I'll blend it up together. Then I'll keep it aside. Then I will allow the garden egg to cook more for about 5 minutes. The garden egg is well cooked and soft. Okay guys, at this point the garden egg is ready. I'm just going to take it out from the pot. Then I'll put it inside a clean bowl. The next step is for me to mash it till I get my desired consistency. I'm just mashing it up till I get my desired consistency. I don't want it to be too smooth. This is the way I like it. Now, in a clean pot, I'm going to add in my palm oil, okay? If you don't have this red palm oil, you can skip the palm oil and use your regular vegetable oil, okay? After allowing the palm oil to heat up for some time, I just add my raw shrimps. Then I'm going to fry on both sides for about 5 minutes till the shrimp is cooked. At this point, the shrimp is like 80% cooked, but it's not that well cooked properly because I'm still going to cook it later. Now I'm just going to take it off from the pot. Then I'm just going to add in my diced onions. Okay, I'll fry the onions for about 2 minutes. And make sure I continue to stir it because I don't want it to burn. I'm just going to stir and stir and stir and stir and stir. Then I'm going to add the smoked shrimp to it also. Then I'll fry this for about a minute together. because I want the smoked shrimp to infuse inside the onions and oil. I'm just going to fry that for some time. Then I'll add in some of my blended crayfish, and I also give it a stir for about a minute. Then after a minute, I'm going to add in my blended tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, and habanero pepper. I'm just going to add it together. I'll add it and I'll give it a stir. After stirring it up, I'm just going to add my seasoning, which is a Knorr seasoning, and my salt. After adding the seasoning, I'm just going to add in my shrimps. Then I'll stir it together. Then I'll cover it up and I'll allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add in my mashed garden egg to it. I'll stir it together very well. Then after stirring it together properly, I'm just going to add my meat to the sauce. I'm just going to add my dry fish and my smoked turkey. Okay, you can use any meat of your choice to make this sauce. It doesn't really matter. You can use just fish to make this sauce, or even chicken. Any meat of your choice is accepted. Okay, adding my meat. Then after adding it my meat, I'm just going to give it a quick stir and make sure I stir everything together. Then I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. While the sauce is cooking on the other side, I'm just gonna go ahead and cook my yam. I've already peeled the yam. I've washed the yam. I cut it to my desired size. Now I'm just gonna add it into a boiling water. Then I'll add sprinkle some salt to it. I'll cover and I'll allow it to cook till the yam is ready. Okay, I cover it up. I like to cook. Now this is 3 minutes later. Our sauce is almost ready. I'm just going to sprinkle in more crayfish. The more the better. Okay, the crayfish will give it a nice wonderful flavor. Then I will stir it together. After stirring it together, I'll just cover it up for a minute. I like to cook for a minute. Then our sauce is going to be ready. This sauce tastes so good. It tastes so yummy. It tastes so delicious. You can eat this sauce with yam, plantain, cocoyam. Any you can even eat this sauce with rice. Okay, if you like to. If you're the type that like to eat your sauce with garden egg with rice, you can use rice to eat it also. Now look at our garden egg sauce is ready. It smells so good. It smells so yummy and delicious. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on the bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. Okay guys, it's time to check on the yam, and the yam is ready. As you can see, the yam is ready and it's time to go and eat dinner. I hope you all are hungry, eh? Okay, now it's time for me to serve. I'm just going to take some of the sauce and just put in the plates with the yam. Then I'm just going to enjoy it. You guys come and join me. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. The sauce looks so yummy. It looks so rich and it looks so delicious. Okay, You can eat this sauce with plantain also, okay? And if you can even use cocoyam to eat the sauce also. You can even use rice, okay? This sauce is versatile, okay? This sauce is all weather. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching my video. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love. And please, if you are watching this from my Facebook page, please don't forget to like and follow my page for more videos. I appreciate the love, the support you guys are giving to me in this channel. I really say thank you all for supporting me. Thank you all for the love. I appreciate every one of you. I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to like the video. Like is very important, okay? If you watch, you like, thumbs up. Bye bye everyone. I love you guys. Bye.